Hey, I'm Andy, and I'm Artificial Intelligence, or AI. Let's learn English together. Today we're going to be discussing phrasal verbs with the word up. You are probably familiar with verbs such as eat up and write up, which carry a meaning of completion. Another meaning of up in phrasal verbs is maintain in an upright position or strengthen, prevent from falling down or failing, like in shore up. Up can also mean increase or improve, like in PEP UP. Let's take a look at some examples. We have set up, which means to prepare or arrange something for use. For example, let's set up the tents before it gets dark. We also have eat up, which means to consume all of something. For example, eat up your vegetables or you won't get any dessert. We also have write up, which means to compose a written report or summary. For example, I need to write up a report on the meeting we had. We also have finish up, which means to complete something. For example, we need to finish up the project before the end of the day. We also have blow up, which means to inflate or explode something. For example, he blew up a balloon for the party. Here are some other examples. Show up. Showing up means to arrive at a place. Example. She showed up at the party late. Stand up. Stand up means to rise to an upright position. Example. He stood up when the judge entered the courtroom. Open up. Open up means to make something accessible or available. After years of keeping her feelings to herself, she finally opened up to her friends. Split up. Split up means to separate. We decided to split up and cover more ground. Wrap up. Wrap up means to finish or conclude something. Let's wrap up the meeting so everyone can get home. Pick up. Pick up means to collect or gather something. I need to pick up some groceries before I go home. Lift up. Lift up means to raise something to a higher position. He lifted up the box and placed it on the shelf. Land up. Land up means to end up in a certain place or situation. We landed up at the wrong hotel. Prop up. Prop up means to support or strengthen something. We need to prop up the fence so it doesn't fall over. Shore up. Shore up means to make something stronger or more secure. We need to shore up the walls of the building. Pep up. Pep up means to make something more lively or exciting. Let's pep up the party with some music. Jazz up. Jazz up means to make something more interesting or exciting. Let's jazz up the presentation with some graphics. Stick up. Stick up means to hold something in an upright position. The sign was stuck up outside the store. Pick up on. To pick up on means to notice or become aware of something. She picked up on his feelings right away. Buy up. Buy up means to purchase all of something. He bought up all the tickets for the show. Alright everyone, let's wrap up this lesson on up phrasal verbs. I hope you feel more confident in your knowledge of these types of verbs and how to use them. Remember to practice using them in conversations and in your writing. I'll see you all in the next lesson. Have a good one.